what is up, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to do a RAM replacement on a 2009 white unibody MacBook. So we got the MacBook here. Yep, here's it, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can either replace or upgrade your RAM easily. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. Like I said in many of my videos, the battery replacement and doing an upgrade on the unibody MacBooks are the easiest to do. Yep, let's get started. For this repair, you need a magnetic screw pad. So this is actually optional, so if you want you can keep it, or you can just put the screws on the table. We need one prying tool, especially if your MacBook has never been opened since you bought it. We need our screw bit and we need our screwdriver. Now let's turn the MacBook around. So since this MacBook has this rubber back, you have to make sure that the rubber bag is intact. For some of you it might not be intact like mine, because it's necessary for the screw removal later, so it'll make the process easier if the rubber pad is intact. And for this repair you don't have to number your screws, you can actually just mix them up, because all the screws, all the 8 screws here are the same size, so you do not have to worry about mixing up the screws. So now let's get started and remove all the screws. We can take out the top cover, and like I said, for those of you who can't take the back cover off easily, you can always use a prying tool. So I can just always pry this open, and there we go. You just heard the click and the lid is off. Okay, so some of you guys might be wondering why there isn't any battery. So if you guys want to know why there isn't any battery, I think do go check out my unboxing a MacBook video. I will link it in the timestamp so you guys can go check it out. So now without wasting time, let's continue with this. So the first step for replacing or upgrading the RAM is you gotta unplug the battery. Since we don't want any short circuit or we don't want any electricity surge when we are removing the RAM and replacing it. So just remember that. For me, there isn't any battery here, so I didn't have to worry. So here's the RAM stick here. After you have disconnected the battery, you don't have to remove the battery fully to replace the RAM. Disconnecting the battery is just for safety purposes, so you need not have to worry about that. And after you have disconnected the battery, so you guys can see 2 clips here. So all you have to do is you just move this clip to both sides and the RAM stick just comes out. So let me show it to you guys again. All you have to do is to hold these 2 plastic holders here, and you just have to put it aside and the RAM stick just comes out. So all you have to do is carefully take this RAM out. We are replacing both the RAM. After you've taken out the first RAM stick, you put it aside for now and just do the same thing for this, and the second RAM stick will be out, and you can take them out. And now your RAM slot is empty. So for me, I'm just going to reuse the same RAM stick that I took out. After you guys taken out the old RAM, now it's time to put on the new RAM stick here. So just remember that the boxes should be facing upwards, or you can actually align this space together with the lining on your MacBook. I hope you guys can see it here. So just make sure it's lined up to that. All you have to do is slant it a bit and you just bring it in. Bring it in and you slowly just fit it inside the RAM slot, and you just press it down, just press it downwards, and now the RAM is secured into place. Now onto the second RAM stick. Same procedure, bring it down in a slanted angle, bring it down and push it in and press it downwards. Yeah guys, that's it. Your RAM stick is now secured inside here. That's how you replace the RAM stick. So after you have installed your RAM stick, reconnect the battery into the power socket here. So of course, like I said, I don't have the battery, so I can't do it here. After you guys are done replacing the RAM, just plug the battery in. Don't forget that. After you have done that, it's now time to put the backlit on. Position it correctly and screw it back on. And that's how you replace or upgrade a RAM on a 2009 white unibody MacBook. This definitely was another easy repair or upgrade, I would say. I would rate it a difficulty level 3 due to the installation of the RAM. That has to be really careful. And then talking about RAM installation, just be really careful when you upgrade your RAM, because if you don't install it correctly, you will have problems in your computer. So you have to reopen it and install the RAM correctly. So we don't want to do that. So just make sure to install the RAM correctly when you do it in the first round. And of course, I didn't turn on the MacBook because, as you guys have seen in that video, that this MacBook is actually not working. So I just wanted to use this in this video to just show you guys how to do upgrade. But of course, this is the same procedure for the 2010 and the 2009 unibody white MacBooks. So yeah guys, that's actually it for this video. So if you guys like this type of repair videos, do remember to click the like button, and of course do comment below your thoughts. If you guys like this video, I would definitely do more of them. It just depends on if you guys like it or not. With that, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.